Walking to the mall in 3 years. MA United! MA United! MA to the mall! Go to the mall.
May kaspan, may nakakwarta. May nakakwarta. Ha?
Kwarta? Tapos kita, gamitin na ito kaspan. Gamitin na mag-kaspan. Gamitin na kaspan. Tara. Parang mawalag bag karon. Gusto kayo mawalag bag karon ha?
Patay.
Uy, si Bok pera.
Ano yung isa kata, nawala si.
Kawawa si Bok. Tara, doon nag-mall. Let's go. We're going to the mall. Go to the mall.
We're like,
going to the mall.
We're walking.
Bigdo, padulong ang mall. Bigdo.
Diretso pag-cute.
Down. Tara. Dumoy boy.
Dumoy. Dito na asa, di ba? Malon.
Malon.
Ay, happy.
Sirit-sirit mo sa Malon. Akala mo sa Malon. Ay, yun ang pangalan sa mga bata ko na si Malon. Sirit-sirit.
Diba?
Side, look.
Nakaling 100 liter gas ka no?
Ay, di ba mag-angkas na? Di mag-angkas na ba? Mag-angkas na. Hilux is good than Mitsubishi.
Hilux
better. No. Oh no. Tol, Indonesian. Hilux better.
Mas gwapo ang Innova.
No. Land Cruiser better. Toyota better. Lami ang McDo.
May lami ang McDo. May lami.
Why?
Lami ang Jollibee.
Why?
Lami ang Golden Bell.
Lami ang Minute Burger.
Golden Bell.
Bamboo. Bumba.
Pangit holiday taxi.
Ganabay.
Sa mag-Mumbai mo, isa blue.
Kung kami nakaputi ni tanan, pero orange, baka tanan.
Naman yung orange.
Pero puti man. Madulit ito yung orange na. Losers wear orange.
Yeah.
Naglaki mo lang, cute. Cute. Ugly but presentable.
Okay, nagkakasal na ako wala. Cute.
Cute. Okay, classes ng tanan. Cute yung ugly but presentable. Bitaw, ano naman yun na? Okay.
Boy, you lang. See you. Oo na.
Q&A next time. Then again next time for more. MA United live and somewhere in Davao. We continue. After 3 years, we've been lost in China. See, there's a Jinghao and a Dragon Temple. We're here in Chinese food. We're lost in China. We're here in China. We're lost in China.
This is Xiaomai. This is the kind of guitar. Xiaomai. Queen egg. More than Chinese, more less boy. Less. Boy, pick up by. Away by you.
Oh, no fried chicken. That's Chinese for beef. Not toy.
And this is for string something. The string
chicken is meaning fish. They are now hungry. They are now delusional. China. It's been 5 months. We've been walking for 5 months.
China.
Goodbye, China. We're going to America now.
We've had to eat our own chips and drink our own China. There's na mais here in China.
There's mais here in China. Yeah. Wait for what?
Look! Tingnan ko dito! We eat our own shit!
It has been 4 years. And our destination is over there. Mitsubishi stop! Shut up! Mitsubishi stop! Hoy, hindi mo to 4 years ago ba?
That was 4 years ago!
It's our destination, but now we're in the 4 years!
Hindi, lalagyan mo sa tabangan na mo.
Really still in our front. Yes, we're very tired. We're very tired.
Yes, we're very tired.
We are here in Japan. Look. Japan.
Japan.
Oh no. Why? Hindi sana here in Japan. I think I'm turning Japanese.
In Japanese, Bali tayo, Bangko.
Tokoma. Oh, it's really like Fountain. He's up opening.
They need it right over there. Really far away. So far. So far away.
How can I not save one straight boy? Let's run, come on. Look, we're in Tokyo Drift. Tokyo Drift. We're here in Japan. We're in Japan. Pacquiao is also very famous in Japan. Okay, there's a billboard there over there. Wait. Oh, there. It's been covered by the trees and trees. So, there are trees that we're seeing this. Now then, she's now then. What's in there? Look, goes there. Pinoy record. Japanese. Japanese. After 9 years, we found Neil. Hey Neil, where have you been for 9 years? In 9 years. Hello? Let's go to the mall.
Nagalaag kita ron.
Where are we now? I don't know. Oh no, this place is very lovely. It's an Indiana Trump. We found Neil. Neil is so great. Look, it's Pacquiao. Pacquiao again. As in Tokyo Bridge. Oh, look, it's Tokyo Bridge. Tokyo Bridge? We are very far away from here. Asa mo? Hello?
Hello? Ako sa ka? Tingkong hiyo.
We're almost there! Our destination! After how many long years of service? Finally, after 10, almost 10 years, so 10, 9 plus 4 is 13. It's been 13 years, then we're finally back in the Philippines. We're in the Philippines now. After 14 years, after 13 years, just Carriers resulted to this. They're now in my Toyota. There is a third two, Decoy. Star Exchange, Decoy, John, Bayan, and Sean, it is all Sean's fault. Sean was absent in the meeting.
Huwag ibilin ka. Yawan lang. Ikaw nabilin din.
You're supposed to America. Oh, stop. You're supposed to go to America.
I love you.
What happened to your button? Oh, look, I'm new button tuner. No, that's Cuba. That sucks. You don't like it anymore. You said it started 13 years ago.
That was 13 years ago.
Yes. Still true. Next time. It's the gateway to Tokyo, to the mall. We go there. Okay, we're now in the mall. Mall. We're back in the mall. I have joined the mall. Yes, our mission in the mall is to destroy it. Here is the box. Here is the box. Here's the box. Here's the box. Okay, we are ready. Another bomb. Another bomb. Same bomb. Longer. Bomb. Detonator. Good for you, Jeff. So it's still inside. We are excitement. For remote control. We are MMA United. Combat United. Live.
In flames of death, eternal rain, we rise towards the fight. When the darkness is falling down,
We are MMA United. Combat United. Live.